Hi everyone, I'm Susan Brady. So, just about every Sunday, I take some time to explore the latest research on bone health. And recently, I came across an insightful review in the journal Frontiers of Nutrition titled Nutraceuticals in Osteoporosis Prevention. And this in depth review dives into how specific nutrients can reduce bone loss and support osteoporosis prevention. And it's exciting to see more focus on how nutrition can play a powerful role in building stronger, healthier bones. So in this video, I'll be reviewing the key findings from this article and discussing what they mean for your own bone health journey. So nutraceuticals are defined as food-derived compounds that provide significant health benefits. They include whole foods, plant extracts, phytochemicals, vitamins, minerals, or a combination of these compounds, all working together to support overall wellness and target specific health needs. And this review points out 6 main nutraceutical groups that are beneficial for bone health: minerals, herbs, phytochemicals, dairy products, probiotics and prebiotics, dietary lipids, and melatonin. So let's take a deeper look at what this research article highlights as nature's best bone builders. So the article begins with an overview of the essential minerals: calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, iron, zinc, boron, and copper. And each of these minerals play a vital role in supporting bone density and strength. But the article also emphasizes the importance of keeping these minerals in balance so they don't compete with one another for absorption or utilization. Next, they review the certain herbs and plant compounds known as phytochemicals that can be powerful allies for bone health. Phytochemicals like those found in turmeric, alfalfa, red clover, horsetail, and citrus fruits can help prevent bone loss and promote bone strength. Plants from the allium family like onions, garlic, and leeks, and the brassica family like broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower all contain naturally occurring sulfur compounds that support bone health. And these sulfur compounds help bone cells grow and stay healthy while preventing certain immune cells from overacting, which could harm bones. And then there's compounds in green tea and berries, which help to reduce inflammation and support bone formation. Even familiar foods like dried plums contain natural compounds that contribute to stronger bones. And then there's resveratrol, a natural compound found in nuts and grapes and cranberries, which can support bone health by promoting the bone building cells and by slowing down bone breakdown. Lastly, there's a traditional Chinese herb called Herbia epimeti that contains a compound called acarian, and acarian helps prevent bone loss caused by inflammation. And adding these herbs and foods to your diet can be a simple and effective way to support bone health naturally. This review also emphasized dairy products, which they point out are rich in nutrients like calcium and protein and potassium and vitamins, which help prevent bone loss. Functional milk proteins such as casein and lactoferrin support bone building cells and reduce bone breakdown. Fermented dairy products like yogurt and kefir and cheese also benefit bones by providing essential nutrients and probiotics. And kefir, for example, has been shown to increase bone density in studies, while cheeses like Gouda cheese and Brie cheese contain vitamin K2, which helps with calcium metabolism and bone strength. They highlight supporting bone health with probiotics, prebiotics, symbiotics, and postbiotics. Beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, they promote bone building and reduce bone loss, especially helpful in cases of estrogen deficiency. Prebiotics, those non-digestible fibers like those found in onions and garlic and chicory root, feed the good bacteria, boosting mineral absorption and decreasing bone breakdown. Symbiotics, which are a combination of probiotics and prebiotics that work together to support gut health. And when combined, pre and probiotics create a synergistic effect, enhancing the growth and activity of healthy bacteria in your gut, indirectly supporting bone health. Then we have postbiotics, which are bioactive compounds produced by the probiotics that support bone health by reducing inflammation and slowing down bone loss. So together, these biotics improve bone strength by enhancing gut health, mineral absorption, and bone protection. Next, they discuss the role of dietary fats and how they play an important role in bone health. And the article suggests that saturated fats found mostly in animal-based foods can be harmful when consumed in high amounts. I'm not sure I completely agree with this because some saturated fats like coconut oil, particularly virgin coconut oil, appears to have several potential benefits for bone health. However, there is no doubt that monounsaturated fats like those found in olive oil and polyunsaturated fats, especially your omega-3 fatty acids from fish, are beneficial for bones. Omega-3s help reduce bone loss and improve bone density. And balancing healthy fats in the diet with a focus on omega-3s and olive oil can support stronger bones as we age. And then lastly, interestingly enough, they review melatonin's role in bone health. Melatonin, a hormone released by the pineal gland at night, regulates our body's sleep-wake cycle, our temperature, and our energy levels. And it supports bone health by promoting bone-building cells, those osteoblasts, and by reducing bone breakdown or reducing the osteoclast activity. And studies show melatonin helps improve bone density and strength, especially in postmenopausal women. Now, melatonin reduces inflammation and oxidative stress in bone cells, protecting bones from age-related damage. It also enhances bone repair and growth by activating certain pathways that support bone formation and protect against overall bone loss. So overall, melatonin acts as a natural antioxidant for bones, helping prevent osteoporosis and maintaining bone health as we age. This research on nutraceuticals and functional foods confirms what many of us have known for years, that food can help in osteoporosis prevention and management. By embracing a vibrant plant-based diet rich in fruits and vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds, you can equip your body with the nutrients it needs to build stronger bones. And remember, while supplements have their place, whole food should be your primary source of nutrition whenever possible. And with so many delicious options available, building stronger bones doesn't have to be boring or bland. Start incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your meals and embrace the journey towards stronger bones with every bite. Thank you for joining me and have a great rest of your day.